Hi everyone, it's Grace here. Today I want to share everything you need to know before trying aerial yoga for the first time. If you ever wondered what aerial yoga actually is, how it's different from regular yoga, or if you can do it as a beginner, this video is for you. So, what is aerial yoga? It's a mix of yoga and aerial arts where we use a silk hammock to support, deepen, or even suspend our poses. Depending on how we use the hammock, the class can feel really gentle and relaxing, or it can be more active and challenging. It's a beautiful way to explore movement with a little help from gravity and sometimes by defying it. You might wonder, how is aerial yoga different from regular yoga? The biggest difference is that mat yoga is on the ground. In aerial yoga, we use the hammock as a supportive tool to help us move, stretch, and even hang upside down in ways that feel completely different. The hammock changes how we feel about gravity, and that opens up so many new possibilities. So why try aerial yoga? One of the best parts is how incredible it feels on your back, since the hammock offers full spinal decompression, relieving pressure and tension. Inversions and back bends become more accessible even if you're a beginner. It helps with flexibility, strength, blood circulation, lymphatic drainage, myofascial release. The list goes on. But honestly, it's just really fun. It helps reconnect us with our inner child, playful side again. There are a few different ways aerial yoga can be set up. Some hammocks hang from a single point, which lets you spin and move in circles. That's often used in performances and in aerial arts. Others hang from 2 points, giving you more stability, which is very nice for beginners. And the height of the hammock matters too. A low hammock at about knee height is great if you're new or a little nervous. A higher hammock is at hip height, which gives you more space for things like full spinal decompression. Before your first class, there are a few things to know so you feel comfortable. Wear fitted clothes that cover your torso, armpits, and back of the knees. This protects your skin from the fabric burn and prevents tangling. Take off jewelry, especially rings or anything sharp. It can damage the hammock or hurt your skin. And try not to eat a heavy meal before a class. Some poses might feel uncomfortable on a full stomach. Most of all, come with an open mind and heart. It might feel new or strange at first, but that's part of the fun. Now let's go through some of the most common questions I get about aerial yoga. What age is aerial yoga for? It's really for everyone, from about age 5 to forever. I've had kids, seniors, and everyone in between enjoy it. Will the hammock hold me? Yes! The hammock is super strong, and most setups are designed to hold over 2,000 pounds. Do I need yoga experience to try aerial yoga? Not at all. You don't need any yoga or aerial yoga experience. Just come and try it. Do I need to be strong or flexible? Nope. Just show up. The practice will build your strength and flexibility over time. It looks really advanced. Can I do that? Yes, you can. With the right guidance and equipment, you'll be surprised at what's possible. Does it hurt? At first, the hammock might feel a little strange where it wraps around your body, kind of like a deep squeeze or pressure, but that's normal. It's called compression, and as your body gets used to it, most people find it soothing, almost like a massage. Is this just light stretching? Not really. Aerial yoga can be super gentle and relaxing, or it can be really active and strong. It depends on the class style and the teacher. Will it make me dizzy? Some people feel a little dizzy or off balance in their first class, especially during inversions, but your body adjusts quickly. Moving slowly and focusing on your gaze can really help. So, how to start aerial yoga? The easiest way is to join a class at a studio. Look for classes labeled beginner, all levels, or fundamentals. These usually use a double point hammock, which gives you more stability, and that's what I teach in most of my classes. Some circus or aerial art studios also offer aerial yoga. These often use single point hammocks, which are great for spinning and circular movement, but can feel less stable if you're new. The best tip, contact the studio directly. Ask about their setup, class style, and what they recommend for beginners. That's the easiest way to choose what's right for you. If you're thinking about practicing at home, it's really important to set things up safely. You can use a strong ceiling beam, an aerial rig, or even a sturdy tree. And if people are interested, I can introduce some safe home hammock setup methods in another video. I hope this helped you feel more ready to try aerial yoga for yourself. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you want to know about aerial yoga, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see a video about setting up a hammock at home, tell me below. And if you are interested in flying and practicing with me, you can go to my website, flywithgraceyogastudio.com, for more information. There are free classes and tutorials available. Thanks for watching. See you at the next flight.